So what do you guys think about the kitchen? So what is going on, you beautiful people? Today we are out in St. Cloud taking a look at this beautiful property. Okay, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. As you guys see, a lot is going on out here, but also 1900 plus square feet. Okay guys, plus incentives. Okay, going towards your closing costs, 5.5 interest rates, all of the above. So we're gonna take a look at the house and you're gonna let me know what you think. Okay. So yes, guys, back in St. Cloud, this particular home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1900 square foot home. An excellent starting home and perfect for the growing family. So as we walk in, you see it's more so of that ranch style layout. The first bedroom is right up front door. A lot of people make this the office, right? That natural sunlight is perfect to have for the desk. I have a stand-up desk because sometimes I just be getting sleepy when I sit at my desk, but that stand-up desk with that window is perfect. And then you walk into that open concept that everyone loves. You see that counter, the island. They have it set up very nice. Stainless steel appliances, as you guys are accustomed to. Just a beautifully laid out kitchen. That walk-in pantry. Let's go take a look at it, because just looking at it from a distance isn't enough. Let's see how much food we can fit in this thing, right? So plenty of room for all my people who love to cook. We got the cookbook out there. You see the staging, but a great layout for that. We did put the formal dining right there. And how this layout is we have that room up front. We have your laundry room. That door actually goes to the garage. This is the model home, so they have their office in there, so we're not going to go in there, but you get the idea. We have the bathroom, right? Dual sinks as well, because they are sharing this bathroom, right? So whether you have kids, guests, they all have that bathroom right there for them to accommodate them. And the thing with these new construction homes, I've mentioned it before, but keep this in mind. When you guys build this house, you have a built-in year warranty to replace anything. And then on top of that, you have a 10-year structural warranty. So anything with the foundation or anything like that, they'll fix it for you. I love how this room is themed. I'm working on my interior design guys, but you see the game theme that they have for it. I love that. I love it. But you guys see, it's plenty of space, right, for your kids or a guest who's coming to visit you. This home is laid out, like I said, just perfect for that family who is either growing or this is their second or starter home. It's perfect for that. You don't really feel on top of each other. And then we're gonna go to the master bedroom that is split off, as you see. There we go. You see that bench. I love a bench right at the head of the bed. I have a stool at the head of my bed, and I literally sit there for no reason. It's just something about having that bench or that stool at the head of your bed. But you see how this home is laid out, right? We got that door feature, dual sinks, stand-up shower. We're gonna head to the walk-in closet in a minute. For all my people with all the clothes, is this enough? Let me know in the comment section below. Is this enough space for you in your closet? But that's the master bathroom for you guys. So as you see, you got plenty of room and more in here. Let's take a look at the covered patio. And the cool thing about that covered patio, guys, is you have that multi-slide glass door that opens right up into your yard, so you can have that inside outside feature. Such a well put together home. So there you guys have it. You'll see my contact information below. Don't hesitate to reach out. We can set up that private tour for you all. And you guys know I'm here for you. Any questions that you guys have, that's why you guys have me, okay? So always remember a few things, right? You guys should know by now. In real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk soon.